sometimes we get an equation and it just says like x equals a number or y equals a number, okay? Now, if it says y equals a number, that's a horizontal line. The slope is 0. This one's actually, this kind of fits into what we've been talking about, right? This is just like, if I have, for example, 0x plus 3, right? I wouldn't write the 0x. I would just write it as y equals 3. So this is actually a line that has a y-intercept of 3, right? And the rise over run is 0 over 1. So that's going to be a horizontal line, right? Like, okay, for example, this one. This is the same as y equals 0x plus 5. So I would start my line at 5. And then when I go to rise over run, right, my rise is 0. So like I don't rise, I just run 1 to the right. I don't rise, I just run 1 to the right. So that is a horizontal line. Okay, that looks like this. So y equals 5 looks like this. Okay. Now you'll notice also on this line, like think about what these points are. This is 1, 5, 2, 5. This is the point 5, 5. This is the point negative 4, 5. This is the point negative 2, 5. So notice every point on this line has a y value of 5, right? Whatever the x value is, the y value is 5. Okay. Now, this x equals negative 2. This doesn't fall so neatly into what we've been talking about with slope-intercept form. But this is just, it's once you know this, it's kind of like, well, this is just, if a y equals is a horizontal line this way, x equals negative 2 is a line this way, right? And just think about, if I want x to equal negative 2, that just has to be negative 2, comma, some number, right? All of the points on the line are going to have an x value of negative 2. So like, let's just think about where that line is. Like, here's negative 2, 3. Here's negative 2, 0. Here's negative 2, negative 4. Here's negative 2, 5. Here's, right? And notice what I'm doing is I'm just naming points where the x equals negative 2. And what it ends up looking like is a vertical line like this. So if I ever have a equation that just says x equals a number, it's going to end up just being a vertical line at that number, okay? And we're going to come back to this idea, but for right now, you can just, reference your notes and graph it this way.